Hello beautiful people, today we are outside. We are in the streets of Speyer, so we went out this evening to have our dinner. Okay, so today is family outing, guys. David is here. David just woke up now. Did he? Did he say hello to everyone? Did they? David just woke up. Yeah.
I don't want to talk now.
You don't want to
After
talk?
eating, I can be able to talk. But right now, I have no strength to talk.
You don't have strength to talk, yeah.
So,
Yeah, we all are hungry, so we are going to look for restaurants and eat right now before we go ahead and take a walk. Because this city, we're going to tour it. We're going to take a walk around the city before we get back to the house.
This city is like Heidelberg.
Yeah, it looks like Heidelberg, yeah. Okay, she's right. The Heidelberg is the place that we went to. Castle. Elizabeth Castle, yeah? Yeah. Okay, can remember like very well. Yeah, the place looks like Heidelberg anyway. So let me show you guys around, okay? Before we get to the restaurant. Hello, David. David.
Cute boy.
Yeah, cute boy.
Thirsty baby.
Yeah. Cute boy. Cute boy. David. Mit Speyer verbunden. Because also bus they allow. Only bus is allowed in this street. Yeah, bus and bikes. Which shop?
Look, Nordsee.
Yeah. This is for fish.
Ja, da haben wir immer gegessen.
Yeah.
Also sind 2 Leute mit Morgen gegangen. Bro, oh,
Da steht ein Hotdog-Theke. Guck mal da oben.
oder warum ist überall fast Eis oder Slushy oder? Oder ich denke, falls ich etwas nicht weiß ich nicht. Habe ich heute das gegessen? Nein. Wir haben alle heute nichts gegessen, glaube ich. Achso, Mommy hat schon Brötchen gegessen. Ich habe fast keine Wasser heute getrunken. Achso, nein, ich habe Fanta getrunken.
Fanta?
Ja. Bro, what's the problem?
Guys, we're already in the restaurant. We ended up in Greece restaurant. Okay, so this is our appetizer. Okay, so right now we're waiting for the main food.
Hier, bekijken, afwijs. Nog niet. Maar gaan we nog mayo, ja? Gaan we een ketchup.
Kleine ketchup.
En dan nog maar het vlees. Bitte.
Danke, danke schön.
Bushala. I'm here. And now I'm away.
Are you happy with the food?
Yes. It
You-
was so delicious.
Yeah. So guys, we are coming out from the restaurant. We are done eating.
And I'm full.
Yeah, everyone is full. Everyone is satisfied. Right now, we'll be taking walk as well. Maybe
Yeah.
10 to 15 minutes before we start going back home. Yeah.
Mommy, 15 minutes. Not 10. Mommy, is that not
10
too
to,
much?
10 to 15 minutes.
Yes,
Yeah.
du machst Exercise heute.
Carry, carry. I'm the best person now.
So this evening, you are the best, eh? But bless him. Go and carry him. Let me see. Wait, let me see. Eh? David is a blessing, no?
Das wird eine Huge sein.
Happy, happy, happy.
Er möchte mich immer noch. Das weiß ich. No.
Alright, come, let's go.
I am the best now.
You're the best.
Can we go now?
Not yet. First the walk. Do you guys like my new hairstyle?
What happened?
Yeah, I did it extra. Just for you.
This is some minutes past 7. So we need to go back home.
Bonna. You go get your little Bonna.
Woo! Mommy, it's a water fountain.